Hey everybody, and welcome to another Stamp Anything video. I'm Kevin, your marketing director, and today we're going to be using the pizza box builder die and the 2-layered turtle shell stencil. Why not get two items crossed off on one video? So what I did here was just quickly use the base of our die, and I just kind of traced it out on my 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, just so I knew where I was going to place my stencils, because I decided to make this pizza treat box all covered in turtle shells because I thought it'd be super cute. So I just set the first layer down of our little stencil and then did a brown. I did a variety of browns, and then I used a couple of different greens for the top layer, and it was as easy as that. It's a super easy stencil to use, and I thought it was super cute. So I was like, you know what, let's make a whole turtle box. So once you've got your box cut out, all you got to do is fold it up, and I just used double tape on the sides, and that was it. It's a very easy project, and it is a super simple die and a super simple stencil. Thanks a lot, everybody. See you next video.